Hey builders, Spark teams spend 70% of their engineering effort just on cluster maintenance, tuning, patching infrastructure, all of that until now. With Cortex Code CLI, we can do that all in a single prompt. This is your data native AI coding agent that provides Snowflake expertise directly in your terminal or your favorite IDE. So let's try it out. I have a set of data pipelines written with PySpark in a directory. Now I could have notebook files, I could have Python scripts. For the purpose of this video, I'll just do one Python script. Now I have no idea how compatible they are with Snowflake. I have no idea how to get them to run with Snowflake. That's where I'm going to use Cortex Code. I'm just going to tell it to migrate this file, and you could have a whole directory of files, to snowpark-connect. And that's it. Cortex Code is going to do its thinking, its flipping. So what is this skill actually doing? Great question. First, it's going to scan every source file for compatibility issues. This could be RDD operations or UDF serialization patterns, certain unsupported file formats, stuff like that. So we can see this first step here is to check to see if the RAG knowledge base actually exists. This is to check if there's a referenceable Snowflake table that has the compatibility matrix available. When it does its analysis, it'll find a few issues that it needs to fix. It'll let you know what it needs to do, and it'll proceed to start the migration. In this step, it's creating a copy of the original file and listing out a report that shows all the files it's going to convert. Just one in this case. Next, it's going to start fixing all of the problems that it found in an earlier step and applying those fixes to the copy of the source file that it created in the previous step. After it makes all of its fixes, it'll start doing updates to make sure that the file is compatible with snowpark-connect. Lastly, it does a simple verification to make sure that the migrated file is syntactically correct and complete. It will do this across all files. When it's done, it'll give you this little report that says what it did, and then ask if you'd like to move on to the validation step. There is a built-in validation step that will run the original Spark file in a local environment and then run the migrated file in Snowflake. I'll skip that for now, but let's take a quick look at our files. This was our original source file, some basic Python code with some Spark references and some created functions. And then this is our transformed code. As you can see in the transformed file, there's some comments that tell us what was changed. And now we have code that is fully compatible with snowpark-connect. And that's it. With this single prompt, I was able to be assured that this code is fully compatible, and now I can run it in my Snowflake account. You could also ask this skill to do other things, like do a complete validation, which I mentioned earlier, analyze the output of another migration tool, for example, and complete the migration. You could also ask it to just do an assessment and say, how compatible is this? What kind of effort is required to migrate it? So it used to take hours of effort, manual effort, even using existing deterministic tools now takes minutes. So it's your turn now. Show me what you can do with Cortex Code.